Welcome to my channel Start 2026 Yezdi Adventure. It feels great to have you here because today we're talking about a motorcycle that's built for riders who don't like limits. The 2026 Yezdi Adventure is all about freedom, exploration, and real-world usability. Whether you're riding through city, traffic, or heading straight toward the mountains, right from the first look, the 2026 Yezdi Adventure keeps that tough, purposeful ADV design, but with a more refined and modern touch. The tall stance, beak-style front, and muscular fuel tank give it a strong road presence. The updated graphics and color schemes make it look fresher and more premium, while still staying true to its rugged personality. This is a bike that looks ready to take on bad roads even when it's parked. Powering the 2026 model is the improved liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, tuned to deliver smoother performance and better reliability. Throttle response feels more refined, especially at low and mid-range RPMs, which really helps during city rides and technical off-road sections. On highways, the engine feels relaxed and confident, making long-distance touring comfortable without constant gear changes. Yezdi has clearly worked on reducing vibrations, so longer rides feel less tiring than before. One of the strongest points of the 2026 Yezdi Adventure is its suspension setup. Long travel front forks and a rear monoshock are tuned to handle rough terrain with ease. Potholes, broken roads, gravel, and even mild trails are handled confidently. The high ground clearance gives you peace of mind when riding off the beaten path, and the overall balance of the bike makes it surprisingly manageable for its size. When it comes to features, the 2026 Yezdi Adventure steps up the game. The digital instrument cluster now feels more informative and easier to read, showing navigation support, ride data, and essential alerts. Switchgear quality feels improved, and overall fit and finish have taken a step forward. Safety is well covered with dual-channel ABS, which is especially useful when riding on unpredictable surfaces. Comfort is another area where this bike shines. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat make long rides enjoyable. Whether you're commuting daily or planning a weekend adventure, the ergonomics support your body well. The windscreen offers decent wind protection, reducing fatigue during highway cruising. In real-world riding, the 2026 Yezdi Adventure feels like a true all-rounder. It's not just an adventure bike by name, but one that actually delivers on the promise. It's practical, tough, and fun to ride, making it a great option for riders who want one motorcycle to do it all. So if you're someone who dreams of long road trips, unexplored trails, and everyday usability in one package, the 2026 Yezdi Adventure definitely deserves your attention. Let me know in the comments what you think about this bike, and if adventure riding is your thing, don't